going to be
cookies! But first, the ingredients.
But first, don't forget to tie your hair up and wash your hands before any recipe. A cup of butter,
A cup of sugar,
2 cups of flour,
2 eggs,
2 cups of brown sugar,
1 cup of white chocolate,
2 teaspoons of vanilla essence,
1 cup of dark chocolate,
1 cup of sodium bicarbonate,
half a teaspoon of salt.
and last but not least, 3 amazing confiteers
Put the butter
and both sugars, white and brown, in the mixer and mix it all up. Sorry guys, I had a little problem, but here we go. Just mix it all up. Now that our previous mixture is now homogeneous, we'll put the vanilla essence
and eggs.
and then mix it up everything again.
Now, in another bowl, we will put
Flour, salt, and sodium bicarbonate. And then mix it up again. Get your mix and mix it up with the previous one we did. We'll add up the chocolate to our cookie mixture. And then just mix it. So now our last step before putting it in the oven is to divide it in little sections. Just like that. So we'll put our mixture in the oven for about 20 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees. Now, just a reminder that if you are a kid and you're using something hot, like an oven, you should always ask your parents for help. Now, to try our cookie, we invited the last year MasterChef winner. She also has 5 Michelin stars. Please, everybody welcome Jacana, Jacan sisters.
Hi people! Mmm. Chocolate?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna try. Mmm. So soft